These are fudgy squares of chocolatey deliciousness with incredibly crunchy and nutty walnuts inside. I can assure you this little treat is bound to satisfy that sweet tooth. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making fantasy fudge. Before we get into this recipe, do me a little favor, you know the deal. Please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start by toasting the walnuts. Place the walnuts on there and bake them for 7 to 8 minutes, or until they're golden and fragrant. Let the walnuts cool and then chop them into small pieces and set these bad boys aside. In a heavy 3-quart saucepan, add the granulated sugar, corn syrup, unsalted butter, and evaporated milk. Now, corn syrup is important because it helps prevent the crystallization of sugar, and so this creates a smoother fudge ultimately. Now, if you do not have corn syrup, it's not the end of the world. You can use 3 cups of granulated sugar instead. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil and boil it for 5 minutes, stirring constantly over medium heat until the mixture reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit. A candy thermometer is going to be really helpful. Now, whether you use corn syrup or granulated sugar, it is really important to stir constantly to prevent scorching. However, you do have to keep on top of the whisking a little extra when you're using the granulated sugar. There is no scorching, no crystallization allowed in this house. When it's ready, remove the pan from the heat and use a wooden spoon to stir in bittersweet chocolate pieces until they're melted. Add the marshmallow cream, vanilla extract, and kosher salt. Stir vigorously until the mixture turns glossy, and this will take about 2 minutes. Then add in the chopped walnuts and just give it a good stir. If you're not a fan of walnuts, you can totally just omit them, or what I like to do is even mix in some chopped almonds or even pecans. I'm such a huge fan of pecans. Transfer the mixture to the prepared baking pan and let it cool completely. Sprinkle some more walnuts or your favorite choice of nut on top of the fantasy fudge. Sometimes chocolate just needs like a nutty, crunchy topper. It can be so necessary. Cut them into squares. Be sure to use a sharp knife and wipe the knife after each slice for the cleanest and prettiest pieces. Serve it up and enjoy. That is it. If you want the full recipe, please head to that description box below, or of course, go to cozymeal.com/recipes. Babes, if you have not already, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. See you next time.